Here comes our first crew, ready to make their way in, looking like they're taking aim for Dock 3. Another beautiful day down here at 79th Street. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ranch channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today, as we just mentioned, we are visiting 79th Street down here in Miami. Our crew's taking their sweet time trying to line this one up. And this is the old Dock 3 who's been giving fits today. And cap brake checks, bow brakes free. Tries to bring it back over. These Scarabs have a great reverse control, so he's going to have a little easier time than most, I think, on trying to get this on. But we're getting our fender lined up. Cap's coming in bow first. Swinging the stern a little early. Come in a little more, bro. Almost got it. Oh, kicks the bow out. Our guy probably could make a toss right here from the stern and get him on. But he's going to pass on that opportunity. Cap one more time. Somebody yells, yo. Everybody looks the other way. Kind of throws them all off. Not really gaining a lot of ground on this one. Three has been a killer all day. Everybody we've watched try to go on 3 really has put up a struggle on it. Is Cap giving up? Is he going to 2? Do we have another person who's going to let 3 go today? No, he swings it back around. Heavy bow in. We're going for it. He's not going to let 3 knock him down. And our girl in the front gets a hand on. She's going to be able to walk him up. There we go. They get it landed. Here comes our next crew. And after a minute or so of waiting, our crew's ready to swing into action. And we're starting to get a line here. So the pressure really gets on now as there's 3 or 4 boats waiting for docks. I'm not sure which one he's eyeballing here. Gonna brake check it back. Trying to turn it around. I'm assuming we're going to try and go on 4. Working our way in. Doesn't like something. Brake checks it. Coming in a little hot. Gonna have to brake check it again, bro. Oh, and they're just gonna smack in. Cap left the helm. We missed the brake check, and we're back off of 4. He's gonna have to make another attempt at that. Got lucky, though, too. Actually, I thought they were gonna go into the boat in front of him. And here we go. We're gonna turn back in, try for 4 one more time. Coming in a little hot again. Gonna need a brake check. Wifey needs to hang on up front. Brake check. She's able to hang on. Has to get over the rail. Trying with everything they got to hold it on. Cap leaves the helm. Stern kicks out when he does so. But he's got a line. Should be able to pull this one back over. Our crew should be good to roll from here. So Cap's making his approach in. We've got two people up in the bow. We've got our girl on the stern. We've got a heavy throttle hand. That always makes for some action. So Cap's going to move on. I don't know where we're going to head to. We're going to try for 4. Go all the way to the end. That makes his swing around. And no. No way. Cap's got a heavy throttle hand. We've already seen it. The chance of you having me hang my limbs off the front of this boat like this are absolutely 0. He's all over the place on the throttle. You boys are asking for trouble. Captain Crunch heading into the dock. You better move your legs. Coming in hot. And Captain, he's going to hold it off just a little bit. Our guy in the front looks like he's going for the leap. He makes it. Our girl off the back makes it as well. And not nearly as eventful as I thought it was going to be, but I'll tell you what, I see it happen all the time. These guys show up here, like my man right here, with his legs underneath the bow rail. I mean, he can't get out of the way in a hurry, and when you've got Captain already showing signs that he's got a little bit of a heavy throttle hand, likes to brake hard, likes to accelerate fast, kind of a full send guy, not the position you want to be in, but our crew makes it in uneventful, and from here they should be able to tie this one up and get her buttoned up. But I don't know. Cap goes back for the throttle. Do we got one more throttle pull? No, he's just going to let it ride, and they're going to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where me and a machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.